What's the meaning of automate? Automate. Automate.
Automate. Automate. Automate refers to the process of using technology or machinery to perform tasks that were previously done manually. By automating tasks, efficiency and productivity can be greatly increased, while also reducing the possibility of human error and freeing up workers' time for more complex tasks. In addition, automation can lead to cost savings by reducing labor requirements and minimizing waste. Ultimately, the result of automating tasks is a streamlined and optimized work process that benefits both businesses and consumers.